Top 5 Reasons DODD Agencies Fail Reviews. Welcome. We will be getting started shortly. While you are waiting, we want to share a few important insights that set the stage for today's session. What you are about to hear reflects patterns seen across many DODD reviews, not theory, not guesswork, but real issues that repeatedly lead to citations. If you recognize any of these, you are not alone. Reason 1. Assuming compliance means being busy. Many agencies believe that because staff are working hard, compliance must be in place. But reviewers are not evaluating effort. They are evaluating evidence. Policies must match practice. Training must be documented. Oversight must be visible. Good intentions do not protect an agency. Systems do. Reason 2. Policies exist, but no one is monitoring them. Agencies often have well-written policies that sit untouched until review time. The issue is not the policy. The issue is the lack of ongoing monitoring. Reviewers look for proof that leadership knows what is happening inside the agency, not just what is written in a binder. If leadership cannot quickly show how policies are reviewed, updated, and followed, citations follow. Reason 3. Training records are incomplete or inconsistent. Training is one of the most common citation areas. Staff may be trained, but records are scattered. Sign-ins are missing. Dates do not line up. Competencies are assumed instead of documented. When training documentation is unclear, reviewers assume risk. And when reviewers see risk, citations are issued. Reason 4. Preparing only. When a review is scheduled, many agencies do not think about compliance until the review notice arrives. That is when stress spikes, shortcuts happen, and mistakes are made. Compliance preparation should not be seasonal. It should be ongoing. Agencies that prepare year-round walk into reviews calm and confident. Agencies that prepare last minute feel exposed. Reason 5. Leadership does not have visibility into risk. This is the most important reason. When leaders cannot clearly see where gaps exist, they cannot act early. Without visibility, compliance becomes reactive instead of proactive. The most successful agencies are not perfect. They are aware. They know where they stand and what needs attention. Today's session is designed to help you move from uncertainty to clarity. You will learn where agencies most often get cited, how to organize documentation, and how to reduce the stress that comes with review preparation. Stay with us. We will be starting shortly.